Click the link in the description and watch the rest of the video shorts and channels, plus learn how to launch your own video marketing shorts website.
Today, we're making the best smash burgers you'll ever have in your life on the griddle. So start by getting some butter on there and toasting up.
Welcome to Meals That Got Me Through College. This is a $2.20 smash burger that will treat you right anytime you make it.
Fuck a burger. Elvis Smashburgers, inspired by the king himself. I'm gonna take a brisket flat, grind it up twice, and then make them into burger spheres, putting that back in the fridge. I'm gonna preheat my grill.
It's so big.